do this. Hello, Tika Beauties. I hope that you all are doing so good. So today, this video is nice and short. This video is going to be more of a watch and learn type video, so I won't talk too much. So basically, I'm showing you how I install my lace closure, and a few tips that I have in here is with this technique, I'm not going to glue it down or anything. I'm just going to install it with mousse and light spray of got2b glue on top, and then I'm going to mold it down with my scarf and take it off and style it with a curling iron. It's very simple. This method is very easy to do in the morning when you're busy throughout the day and you don't really have time to really work on your hair. So yeah, enjoy. Look. Oh, another tip that I also did do was her wig was overplucked on the part, so I added black eyeshadow to fill in the part so that it could look a bit more natural. So that was another tip. But I want you guys to watch and learn and enjoy the video. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe down below if you like this video and would like more of these videos coming your way. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Hey, you're done. Like,